So let's talk about XEN here. I'm going to pull up the charts, let you know what I see over there. I also want to talk about some news that I came across and how high I think XEN can actually go this bull cycle. But remember, nothing here is financial advice. I can always be wrong, so make sure you guys do your own research. Now, before I get into the video, for anyone looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first-time deposits, extra bonuses up to $10,000. It requires no VPN, no KYC. If you're someone that trades using leverage, you get to use up to 500x leverage. The link is going to be in my description down below. But getting into the video here, I want you guys to first take a look at the Fear and Greed Index, which is actually currently at 61 greed. Okay, so it actually came down a little bit, even though it's not showing it over here on the charts, because not that long ago, I believe we're at around like 72 or something like that. And right now we're sitting at 61. That's not all that bad. I mean, the markets have been rallying with the exception of today. It's been rallying for the last like couple weeks. So it's been pretty good so far. Like I tell you guys all the time, nothing goes down forever. Eventually, there has to be a floor, and these coins are just going to make a epic rally. But you got to be in the right coins if you want to capitalize on the most amount of money that you can make in the crypto space. Because even though the markets had been rallying, not every single coin has been rallying. Some coins just remained completely flat, and that's because there's no hype, no catalyst, no nothing for that coin, so people just aren't interested. But XEN has been doing some pretty solid things. Now if we take a look here at CoinMarketCap, it's currently down on the day it's down 3.84%. The current market cap is 637 million, and the volume is also down. It's down 23% on the day, but that's actually not all that bad, right? We still don't see a Binance listing here. We did get that Binance futures listing, but even though XN had a nice pump from the Binance futures listing, we still don't have a spot listing. So once we get a Binance spot listing, I do think that the price of XN is going to just go nuts. Okay, now if we check out the charts, we can see that XN is actually at a pretty crucial level. I believe that this area where XEN is at right now needs to actually hold, because this is previous support level, right? So if it bounces off of support level, then that just shows the strength. It needs to bounce off of this support level. Now, if it breaks this area, there is a chance where we could come down and retest this support around 0.016. So we don't want XEN to come down to these lows, so it needs to bounce off of this previous resistance level, which shows very nice solid strength, because we're currently in a very nice solid healthy retracement right now. Okay, now if we take a look at this indicator, you'll find this down below. It's called Tradices. Lets you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto. It shows that we're still in this bullish momentum, which was fired on April 23rd. No sell signals were fired though, which is quite interesting. Normally, we would see a sell signal fired at least at the very peak up here. So I'm actually kind of surprised that no sell signals was fired. But regardless, maybe that means that XN is about to bounce and start making its way back up. We never know. The last time a sell signal was fired actually was all the way back here, April 11th. So that's kind of interesting. But XEN to me, as of right now, is looking pretty solid. Still has a lot of hype around it. But I came across this post that I want to talk about. Saw this post on X here. So this person says you really can't make this stuff up. The most clearest manipulation I've seen this year so far. Those are pretty strong words. I've seen some serious manipulation in other coins. Oh, well, this year, I'm not sure about this year, but over the last year, we've seen some crazy manipulation I've seen some crazy manipulation in some of these coins in the crypto space. But they said Binance is by far the biggest a-hole in this industry. Every time we have a pump, they short it. Surely ain't just me who's sick and tired of this stuff. Now, my opinion here is I am so numb to the manipulation in the market. I've been seeing this. I feel like over the last maybe couple years now, I have never seen so much manipulation. It is crazy. Ever since the big players entered into the space, all we've been seeing is manipulation after manipulation after manipulation. They did it with the stock market, and now they're here to do it with the crypto market. So this is nothing new. Now, as far as like the exchanges manipulating the price, like the Binance or the Mexi or with the whole Caspa and other exchanges, it's to be expected if I'm keeping it real with you guys. And the reason for that is they're just playing the game like everybody else now, right? So nothing new, nothing surprising to me. Am I sick of it? I mean, yeah, I mean, how can't you really be sick of it? But again, I'm just numb to it. So now anytime I see manipulation happen, I just kind of just laugh. And it's just like, what else do you expect? But eventually, most times, if you're in the right coin, right hype, right narrative, an epic short squeeze can occur. And I do think that we're probably going to see an epic short squeeze with something like XEN, and we're just going to just explode towards the upside. But you do have to be patient with this one. But it has been proven where it's clear at this point that there's a lot of hype in XEN. So if you're holding this project right here, you do have to be a little bit patient. And if you are planning to buy the dips on XCN, always buy the dips on support levels. Don't buy at the peak, not after, you see the coin rallying and you do have your dollar cost average strategy. You still don't want to be buying at the very peak during that massive green candle, because it's like, why not just have some patience, look for a little bit of a pullback, and then continue your DCA strategy. But nothing is financial advice. If you want to be buying on the way up regardless of the price, you can do that too. It's your strategy. As long as you have a strategy in place, then you should be fine in the crypto space, right? But XCN is going to continue to do its thing. It's one of those coins that doesn't look like the hype is going away anytime soon. I mean, I remember Justin Sun tried to FUD XCN and that didn't work. So Binance trying to, manipulate the price potentially, I don't think that's going to work as well. But what I think is going to happen in the short term, and when I say short term, I'm talking about like the next 6, 7, 8 months. I do think that there is a possibility where we could see XCN 25x from where the price is at right now, and that'll bring the price to around 50 cents. I definitely think that is on the table, but again, it all depends on what's going on in the overall crypto market, because if the market is not going in the right direction, then we're probably not going to see that 50-cent area. I do think that the market is going to be headed well, it's already going in the right direction, but we're still not through with this whole tariffs war. So it all depends on how that plays out. But if everything goes according to plan, then yes, I do think that 50 cents is definitely possible for XCN, and that's a nice 25x on your investment from where the price is currently at right now, which is at 0.019 and a market cap of 641 million. But I want to know what your price target is on XCN. Let me know in the comments section down below. Do you think it's going to reach 50 cents? Do you have a price target of $1 by the end of 2025? Let me know in the comments section. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I have for you. And until the next one, take care.